We are pleased to show you the 2019 Audi e-tron. The Audi e-tron is an electronic crossover that's just the right size for all your driving needs. Loaded with interior technology features, the e-tron will remind you that you're in a cutting-edge vehicle. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.